एक दिन हम घर में अकेले खाना बनाए रहे। खाना बनाए तो माने लाइट नहीं, दिया जला के खाना बनाए रहे। खाना बनाए जब दिया जला के सब्जी बनावे लगी तो दिया गिर गई, हमारे रसोई में आग लग गई। खूब भमर भमर आग लग गई तो हम मारी परेशान हो गए, डरा गए। फिर सबका घुराई को नहीं तो हम बहुत परेशान हो गए, हम बहुत डर गई कि माने आग लग गए, अब हम क्या करें।
This is Sarla. Who lives in the Para village in Unnao district of Uttar Pradesh. Her story of darkness and suffering is not unique and is similar to about 300 million people in India who still live without access to electricity. And the 44% that do have access to grid electricity are marred with intermittent supply.
मोबाइल चार्ज करने के लिए काफ़ी खर्चा हो जाता है और तेल लाने के लिए दूर जाना पड़ता है और दुकानें भी जल्दी बंद होती है। जैसे रात में कोई काम लगा इमरजेंसी का तो नहीं हो पाता है।
अंधेरे में उठी तो दिया जो जलाने लगते हैं तो फिर खांसी भी आ जाती है उसके धुआं से।
अंधेरे से हम देर रात तक पढ़ नहीं सकते हैं, केरोसिन का धुआं हमारी आँखों में लगता है।
लाइट ना होने की वजह से यहाँ पे दुकानें भी 7-8 के बीच में बंद हो जाती हैं। ये सब चीज़ें दिक्कत होती।
In July 2014, Boond Engineering and Development Private Limited brought light into the lives of the people at Para village. Sarla and her neighbors, who waited in darkness for years, now had a ray of hope. And that was exactly what Boond aimed for: to reach out to remote and underserved communities who could not even afford small payments towards solar loans. They brought a technology that was affordable, theft-proof, and accessible. The journey at Para began with installing prepaid solar microgrids in the village. First, a rooftop is selected, which could be any household in the village. By lending their roof, the owner of the house in turn became an entrepreneur who also benefited from the installation of the microgrid. Now every recharge in the village gives this villager or entrepreneur a commission. The cost per solar microgrid is approximately Rs 350,000, which serves about 40 to 45 households. After the groundwork is done, customers like Sarla have the option to choose from 20-watt connection or 60-watt connection. The 20-watt connection includes two 3-watt DC LED bulbs, one 5-watt DC LED tube light, DC mobile charger, wiring, conduits and accessories at a cost of Rs 1,200. On the 60-watt connection, they could additionally run a DC fan or DC TV at a cost of Rs 2,200. The installation installment can be broken down into 2 to 3 parts. The innovation lies in the prepaid energy meters and recharging through a USB stick, which is similar to the prepaid cards used in mobile phones. For example, when Sarla needs to recharge, she simply needs to take the USB stick to the central station and buy energy units for any amount. She can charge the units at a cost as low as 10 rupees and can go up to any amount according to her need or budget. The units are then transferred to the USB stick via an easy-to-use Android application and Bluetooth technology. Sarla can then bring home the USB stick and plug into the energy meter for the units to be transferred. Each USB stick is unique and mapped to a single energy meter. This technology lets the consumers use and buy electricity according to their own needs. It helps Boond in efficient collection of payments and addresses issues such as thefts. Another unique and extremely efficient feature of Boond is its ease of after-sales services, which is enhanced through its remote monitoring services. In case Sarla ever has a concern with her unit, she simply needs to register the complaint at the central station and her complaint would directly reach the Boond office. They immediately act on it and resolve the issue. Till date, the innovation has been implemented in 8 villages with 9 microgrids in Unnao district of Uttar Pradesh. It is said that you give light and people will find their way. Boond has given Para village ease of access to clean and reliable electricity, and its people, like Sarla, have found a new ray of hope and their lives lit by happiness.
बूंद की वजह से हमको बहुत खुशी हुई है।
Boond's innovative solar technology is sure to light up 1 million paths in the years ahead. If the solution is replicated in the developing countries, it is expected to reach 23 million people by 2025.